Now, ivermectin for humans is approved by the FDA for parasite infections and for things like lice and rosacea. But officials with the State Department of Health say it is ineffective for coronavirus and its side effects. And of course, you shouldn't be using the animal version on people. Now, the COVID-19 surge continues to worsen in Yakima County as well, and the hospital is on the verge of moving to crisis standards of care. Now, health officials are worried about their COVID-19 testing capability. KVU's Emily Goodell has the latest from a virtual community forum with local health leaders earlier today.
There's only one current public testing site in Yakima. We stood that up here at Memorial in collaboration with the University of Washington, and it is not sufficient to meet all the needs of the community.
The Yakima Valley College and Sunnyside COVID testing sites have administered a total of more than 3,300 COVID tests in the past week. About 1 in 4 tests came back positive.
That's an incredibly high rate and essentially as high as it's been at any point in the pandemic for us.
About a third of those new positive cases came from children and young adults.
Of those 861 positive cases, 284 of those are people 19 and under.
Local health care providers have been so overwhelmed by requests for COVID testing, they've been redirecting patients to the ER at Yakima Valley Memorial Hospital, a practice the hospital says needs to stop.
Our ER most days is overrun. We'll have 30, 40 people in the waiting room. We're taking care of patients in chairs in the hallway, on stretcher beds. We can't be a testing site. We can't handle that kind of volume.
The hospital can't take any more strain on its resources, or they'll have to move into crisis standards of care.
We are right on the edge of it, I will tell you. We could flip into it tomorrow.
Hospital officials say they need more public testing sites to keep up with the demand.
We have reached out to the Department of Health to fast track a second testing site, but we need greater partnership.
In Yakima, Emily Goodell, KVU Local News.
Now again, if you do need a COVID test over the weekend, do not go to the ER. You can get tested at Yakima Valley College from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. tomorrow, or at the Sunnyside Community Center on Sunday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m.